Built to withstand the harshest elements on the toughest missions, the G-Tech Stealth 2.0 heated pouch is designed specifically for the armed forces to perform their best and defeat the cold. Proven to combat the most demanding conditions, the Stealth 2.0 replaces big thick gloves and disposable hand warmers to give troops more feel in the hands and sustained heat for up to 12 hours. Tested and reviewed by armed professionals, the Stealth 2.0 has been called a game changer and a must-have for cold temperatures. Defy the unforgiving climate with the G-Tech Stealth 2.0 heated pouch, available now at gtechapparel.com.